How to build a budget gaming PC in 2025. Think you need a fortune to build a gaming PC? Think again. Today, I'll show you how to build a powerful gaming rig for less than $800. Step 1. Start with the heart of your PC, the motherboard. Look for budget-friendly options like the Insert Brand/Model, compatible with the latest CPUs. Step 2. Pair it with a bang-for-your-buck processor like the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G or Intel i5-12400. Don't forget an affordable air cooler if one isn't included. Step 3. Add 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, fast enough for gaming but affordable on a budget. Step 4. The star of the show, your graphics card. Options like the NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super or AMD RX 6500 XT will handle most modern games like a pro.